Please visit our playlists. Photoshop with t-shirt printing, Corel Draw with t-shirt printing, YouTube tips, film or video editing tutorials, cooking and salads, basic accounting tutorials, makeup tutorials, military news update, sorry, skincare, travel vlog, chess assassin playlist. Shout out to the following:
Bia, El Prisco, Super Masabar Mama TV. In this position, white to play and win. Knight to f8 check. Black king cannot go to g7 because of knight to e6 check, forking the queen and the king. Open check, and the knight forking the black queen. A forced move to cover the check. Here comes now the ladder technique. Black queen cannot cover the check because the knight is guarding the g7 square. Black queen cannot also cover the check because of knight to f8, forking the queen and the king. Knight to f8 check, and the black queen is forced to capture to avoid mate.
That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.